Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Suzuki Boulevard M90. 1500 cc's of V-twin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled shaft drive. This is like a touring edition. It's got a windshield, engine guards, floorboards, saddlebags, backrest, luggage rack, even has a rider backrest. This bike is awesome, powerful, heavyweight twin cruiser. It's got the upside down performance front end forks, twin disc brakes, only $69.99 for this 7,000 mile big bore cruiser. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.